In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil life indicator on a 2023 GMC Terrain. Pretty simple process once you know what you're looking for. You're going to use the directional pad right here on the right-hand side of the steering wheel to navigate through the menus. I'm going to first press the right arrow button, and that takes me to the one that starts with, just has an I there. Then I'm going to press down and go through these different menus until I get to oil life. Once I get to oil life, I'm going to press the little check button here. It's going to ask me if I'm sure that I want to reset it. Yes, I am. I'm going to hit the right arrow to get over there and then press that check button again. And then you'll notice it has now been reset to 100%. That's all there is to it. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.